What is up, guys? I know it's been a long time since I put out a video. And yes, as you see in the title, I have in fact quit pressure washing. Probably like, oh my God. Yeah, so it is true. I've quit pressure washing, and just to be completely honest with you guys, so I never got into pressure washing to, when I first started it at the age of like 18, it was never my dream to get older and start a pressure washing business. I seen it as an opportunity to start something of my own and to make some money that could possibly help me get ahead in life. And it's done just that. It's done what it's needed to do. Now, with that being said, you're probably like, since I've made content around pressure washing, am I done with this channel? What am I doing? What happens to my business? So just to be transparent, I sold it to my younger brother, and now I pretty much just help him run it while still owning a small percentage of the business. I have now moved into a role to where I will be basically handling sales, a sales role in the business to help him grow it. So I will be kind of boots on the ground sales too, as we shift to try to get more commercial business. I will be, my role is to, basically make new connections and go do bids and, or free estimates for commercial clients and try to sell some more commercial jobs so we can increase revenue. Outside of that, my goal and objective with this channel is for it not to die, but in fact, I want to make this channel even more valuable to you guys, educational. So I'm actually going to need your help. My goal from here is to revamp the channel and to connect with more industry experts, industry vendors, so products and services that we as contractors need that is valuable to us and help us grow our businesses, as well as collaborating with people who are specialists in different home service and mobile businesses. So I actually want to do content with people who are in the HVAC space, who are in, who are electricians, who are mobile detailers, who are epoxy people, epoxy coating, whatever, for garage floors, countertops. Basically, I want to connect with other home service business owners and collaborate and kind of talk about their experience with their businesses and how they got started. So basically to introduce you guys into more opportunities and careers and ways to make money. And so as I shift from being involved in the pressure washing space physically, I now want to focus on putting out more valuable content that will help educate and help you guys grow as individuals and as business owners. So if you guys actually have any connections to people who are in different spaces, obviously like I said, different home service businesses or mobile businesses, please connect them with me. If you yourself are one, connect with me. I would love to do content with you. And I'm going to start in North Carolina, and I want to do in-person content. So I want to go, kind of follow them. I want to see the business up close, kind of see what they do, and show you guys and kind of talk about the numbers and what it takes to get started, and what type of things you need to get started. That is my objective. Now, attached to that, I will also be offering myself in the space of consulting, in the sense of like for helping guys who are just getting started or maybe been in business for like a little bit but not too long, to help you implement some better systems for your business to help you save money or be more effective, to automate some things, as well as digital marketing. So looking at, taking a look at your overall branding, taking a look at ways you can increase reviews if that's a need, and also specifically I want to help focus on getting more lead clients through Facebook advertising. The way this is going to work is that I'm selling the service for super cheap. So it's only going to be $100 for 1 hour, and I'm only going to take on 10 people for the upcoming period. So per 30-day period, I'm just going to take 10 people. So if 10 people are interested, in having your business evaluate, go over some systems, and also look at digital marketing strategy for just $100 for 1 hour, let me know. We'll hop on Zoom. I'll help you set up some Facebook ads. Even if you need to, borrow some of my own pictures and stuff, I'm more than willing to, let you do that. And the final thing I will say is, I'm gonna, as I transition out of being the guy who's sharing my own knowledge, and looking to, really just tap in with people who have accomplished way more than me, I'm gonna run a little sale. As you guys know, I have an ebook and a course, so I'm gonna put the course on sale for literally just 25 bucks, and typically it has sold for over $100. So if you're interested in getting started, $25, lifetime access, and then I'm gonna put my ebook on sale for half price at $5 to make all these resources available for you guys at super cheap. So that's the premise of this video, guys. I am no longer physically involved in the pressure washing space. I will be taking content and education more seriously, and collaboration is now my focus as I transition out. I will also ask if you guys can go support my other channel called Grow with Zay. I'm getting ready to be putting more effort and energy into that channel. And actually the near thing I'm about to start with this channel, I'm about to start a series of taking $100 or between $100 and $150 startup of can I take that amount of money and turn it into a profitable side hustle, and just a little bit, you know, we'll say 30 days is going to be the starting time period and see what we can do with it. So that content is going to be literally released today or tomorrow, depending on when you see this video. And you guys will be that serious, as well as on there, I'm going to give away a bunch of knowledge. My goal for that channel is more diverse. This channel is kind of dedicated to pressure washing in the home service space as I revamp it and rebrand it. And the other channel is just pretty much going to be kind of like a lifestyle channel, to where I pretty much talk about everything, you know, things that are basically a lot of things around education. Everything I learned, I want to share. So whether it's, you know, travel hacking, entrepreneurship, investing, I have become an active trader in the last few months in the foreign exchange and stock market space. So if you guys would like to follow me on that stuff, and as well as, like I said, follow me starting the side hustle, go check out that channel, Grow with Zay. It'll be linked up somewhere around here and also in the description. And I just want to say I appreciate you guys' support for, you know, all the way up to 16,000 subscribers, even though I've been lazy with content, because I know I haven't taken this seriously enough as I should have. But yeah, you know, in the future, you guys can expect more from me. And like I said, I do need your help. If you can connect with this type of people, you know, whether, like I said, mobile detailing, I don't care, mobile detailing, mobile tinting, if you do you unlock cars, whatever, mobile dent repair. I'm just saying naming car things right now. House things, you know, if you remodel, if you epoxy, whatever, if you specialize in a certain niche within pressure washing, I want to connect with you. Carpet cleaning, everybody. I want to connect with everybody. And this channel will be about sharing different opportunities with you guys is the new focus and branding of this channel, as well as exposing you guys to other resources that you need to run your business that are going to be effective. So I will be, you know, in the future partnering with specific vendors to highlight products that I feel are useful. I will never, you know, sacrifice integrity. So if there's a product or a vendor and their product is crap, I won't allow them to be like a sponsor or collaborate with me if I don't really believe in the product they're selling. So anyway, guys, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I really look forward to, you know, putting out more content in the future and revamping this channel, as well as growing my other channel. And I appreciate you guys' support along the way. I will see you guys next video. Don't forget to check out all the offerings I have. So if you're interested in 1 hour consulting for your business to get it, you know, looked at, whether it's branding, strategy, or marketing, just $100 for 1 hour, only 10 people. And then the course is on sale for $25 now until whenever I change my mind, as well as the ebook. Check it out. See you guys next video. Peace out.